It's a new generation of work and play where staying powered up is just as important as staying connected. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, gaming on a long flight, or just trying to keep all your devices running throughout the day, battery life is always a concern. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a portable battery that has changed everything for me. This is one of the best things that I bought on Amazon recently, and I wanted to share with you guys today because I know you will find it useful too. This is the Anker 25K laptop power bank, a high capacity 25,000 milliamp hour battery with 165 watt total output, built-in USB-C cables, and a lightweight minimalistic design with a display that shows you everything that you need to know. The biggest selling point of this power bank is of course its power. This thing packs a massive 25,000 milliamp hour capacity, which means I can charge up my MacBook Pro from empty to full when I'm out and about. As someone always working and editing videos on the go, that is huge. It's an extra lifeline before I need to find myself a wall outlet. On top of that, I can also plug in my iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and AirPods Max whenever they need a boost, even all at the same time. Above all, what I found most impressive about this power bank are the charging speeds. It powered up my 14-inch M2 Pro MacBook Pro from near empty to over 80% in a little over an hour. Those into power stats will also appreciate the big display here. It shows how much juice you have left, how fast your devices are charging, the battery's temperature, the battery health, which ports are being used, and so much more. It also displays some super cute animations as it's doing its thing. Despite all of its power, this thing never gets warm or too hot to touch, which is very impressive efficiency and optimization on Anker's part. Another thing that I really like about this laptop power bank are the built-in cables. Again, another impressive choice on Anker's part. With these, there's no need to dig around to find a cable to plug your device in or plug the battery in to charge it. One USB-C cable doubles as a little carrying handle, while the other is about 2 feet and retractable, keeping things neat and clutter-free. Like the battery itself, both cables feel solid and very high quality. If you do need to use an extra cable, the battery also has an additional USB-C and USB-A port on it. Even though this power bank can do so much, it's still surprisingly small and light. I mean, it does have some weight to it, don't get me wrong, but it is slim enough to toss in my backpack and slide into my sling bag without taking up too much space, though you do have to be careful and not forget that this thing has a display on it. So, is the Anker 25K laptop power bank worth it? I say yes. If you are looking for a portable charger that's powerful enough to keep your laptop and other devices going, this is one of the best options out there right now. It's sleek, reliable, convenient, and packed with features that just make sense. This is another home run from Anker. It's the perfect travel companion for anyone who relies on their tech as much as I do. This was worth every penny that I spent. Well, that's a wrap, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this Anker power bank. Would you use it in your everyday setup? Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!